guys. Good afternoon. Ay, good afternoon. Morning pa pala.
Good morning. Good morning.
It's our lunch time. Look at the building, guys. Oh. Wow, back. Aura. Aura. Hi, I'm with Aileen. As usual. Wala ibang intro sa vlog. Ay, nako. So, what's our topic for today? Ano, alam mo yung kantang ano? Yung... Paano pala? Hi guys! Anong lunch nyo today? Kami, bibili kami ng lunch. But I have baon. Oh, it's too hot. Look at my hair, guys. Black rice. Look at our hair. I look, blonde. So, we're here na, guys. Hi. Girly po kami today. Then, we're here in KFC. Oh, it's closed. My God. It's closed, guys.
Breakfast are we going to eat?
Breakfast meal? Ito.
No, salad.
Salad, tapos may kanin, guys. Salad and rice. Oh my God. Dito na lang tayo. Ay! Hello! May dalawang visitor, guys. Look at these cute cats. Hi! Say hi! Hi! What's your name? Cute nila. Oh, guys. Fickle-minded attack na naman po. Kayantayin mo ako. Fickle-minded attack from Kata to... Saan na naman daw? Lawson.
Wala
For the TPDT kami today, guys. So, sarado yung KFC.
Tagal pa ang
Sarado yung KFC. Tapos yung Gata. Yun. TPDT. I don't know what to say. Tapos may baon ako, guys. Oh. For the less tayo ng sugar. So, how's your sugar, babe?
Not sure.
Okay, we're here na, guys. Tatakaw po siya. By the way, guys, meron pala akong rice dito. Charan.
Black
Ito siya nainit.
That's white
Black rice. Para kunwari diet. Pero, we still have white rice.
Pwede ko na. Hindi ka na tuloy si mami.
Yes, guys, we're done eating. Look at the view.
Sasamahin mo.
Ay! Oo. Ganda. Meow, 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 meow. Sarap ng tulog. Ah! We're done eating, guys. Amoy chicken kami. But it's fine. Busog ng mga persons.
Makakagaling.
Ha?
Lakas.
Nangalin.
Pero ano na ako, relax na ako.
Hindi, friend. Hindi ka makarelax.
Naka-4 na ako.
Ay, sana all. Hi guys, so ng lunch.
Pero kailangan tawagan yung mga...
Done eating now.
Isang ako yung...
Ganda ng building. Oh. For the vlog ako, friend. For the ganon ako, friend. Nagkandabangga na pala. Hi guys. Look at this pretty Aileen. She's on a diet, guys. Nakita niyo kanina yung yung ang tawag sa wrap na yun? Taco wrap? Hindi eh. It's a veggie wrap. She don't like white rice na, guys. Look at my hair, oh. It's cute. Courtesy of... Correct.
Mga chicken ako sa loob.
Ha? May chicken daw kami. Oo, totoo naman. Oo nga. May chicken nga. Oh, every time I see you. Na, na, na. Bagong kanta na naman yung ano yung kanta na yan?
Actually, alam mo.
Hello, ang pretty natin. Oh, fuck. Frenny, para kang ano, friend. Hindi ka Haggard, friend.
Batak mong bigat.
Para ka lang, ano tawag dito? Manager ng ano, SM department store. So,
Ayos ka.
friend, parang ano, friend? Wow. No, the weather is good. Sarap talaga pag may lunch. Charet. Look at the building, guys, oh. Wala anong kantang, ano, alam mo, anong theme song ng buhay mo today?
Wala.
Wala.
Wala akong naisip. Ay,
Ako yung theme song ng buhay ko today ay